We were at the store about a week ago and I saw this oddly shaped pot and was wondering what it was. And my wife looked at it online and it's a chicken roasting pot. And it's made by Emile Henry. So we went back to the store and bought it. And today we're gonna try it out and see how it works. It's a ceramic pot and you can see it has these little spaces here, I guess, to let steam out. Looks like that on the inside. And on the inside, it's like this. I guess you'd say it has ridges. So my wife's going to roast a chicken today and we'll try it out and let you know how good it works. If you've seen our turkey video, we have a turkey roaster that we got from Costco that's stainless steel, and it makes an amazing turkey. And we hope this will do the same. I think the way this is shaped, it'll trap the heat inside and trap the moisture inside, which will keep the chicken still moist and delicious. We watched online somebody cooking with this, so we're gonna cook the bird halfway with the lid on, and then we're gonna finish it with the lid off so the skin will get crispy. So my wife's gonna prepare, I've gotta go put my tie on, make some tea, and go record a podcast. Tender and juicy. So here's our final thoughts. First of all, can you roast a chicken in any other ceramic pot with a lid? Yes, and it probably wouldn't come out any different. What's nice about this is it has this unique shape, which makes it beautiful. It has a great presentation. It worked great, and my wife says it's easy to wash. So overall, it's a thumbs up.
Do you have a lot? Huh, my asses? Do you have a lot? Wow. You cut a lot.
This is throwing away that pile is keeping.
You don't want the skinny ones?
I don't know. I guess you could keep some small skinny pieces.
So nice.
Chemical John, what do you think?
Let's see, where did you cut? Nika, are you coming? Hi. Nika is all wet.
See, a lot of places, they've chopped trees down. Some of them, over the years, chopping trees down. This is a big tree, but probably couldn't get enough water and it broke.
Wow.
This kind of tree is good for firewood.
We can leave it. It might be.
I decided to leave it.
Yeah, it's nice. This is still our yard, right? Do you know how far we have to go to be?
Oh, I wish I did.
See, that is another thing we need to know. We need to do that. I hope you are not cutting neighbors.
It probably goes over another 20 feet.
Yeah. Wow, you have to drop those.
Yeah. It's a crazy exercise to
Yeah.
this tree.
Okay. My house is done.
This is where you get this bigger wood.
Which one?
You chop down these big trees to get this big wood.
Yeah.